NP problems. The NP problems, set of problems whose solutions are hard to find but easy to verify and are solved by non-deterministic machine in polynomial terms. NP problems are two types, NP hard problem and NP complete problem. What is NP hard problem? A problem X is NP hard if there is an NP complete problem Y such that Y is reducible to X in polynomial time. NP hard problems are as hard as NP complete problems. NP hard problems need not to be in NP classes. What is NP complete problem? A problem X is NP complete if there is an NP problem Y such that Y is reducible to X in polynomial term. NP complete problems are as hard as NP problems. A problem in NP complete if it is a part of both NP and NP hard problem, and a non-deterministic Turing machine can solve NP complete problem in polynomial term. Let's know about difference between NP hard and NP complete. NP hard problems can be solved if and only if there is NP complete problems that can be reducible into X in polynomial time. In other hand, NP complete problems can be solved by an non-deterministic algorithms, Turing machines in polynomial time. In NP hard, to solve this problem do not have to be in NP. In NP complete, solve these problems it must be both in NP and NP hard problems. NP hard do not have to be in decision problem. NP complete is excessively a decision problem. Following are some NP complete problems for which no polynomial time algorithm is known. First point, determining whether a graph has a Hamiltonic cycle, determining whether a Boolean formula is satisfied, etc. NP hard problems. The following problems are NP hard problems, like the circuit satisfiably problem, set cover, vertex cover, traveling salesman problem, etc. In this context, now we will discuss TSP is NP complete. TSP is NP complete. The traveling salesman problem consists of a salesman and a set of cities. The salesman has to visit each one of the cities starting from a certain one and returning to same city. The challenge of the problem is that the traveling salesman wants to minimize the total length of the trip.